So what is a large language model? Not long ago, machine learning started transforming finance. Models were trained on historical data to make predictions by outputting numbers. For example, assessing risk levels of loans or forecasting whether a stock price would go up or down. The models got better at these narrow tasks the more data they processed. But now there are large language models that work differently. Instead of predicting numbers, they generate human-like text and dialogue. This is because they are trained on vast amounts of general text data all over the internet, from books to websites to social media. These large language models can do much more than just quantify risks or estimate stock prices. They can summarize financial reports in clear language, have natural conversations with customers, and even generate original market analysis. The potential use cases are far broader compared to early machine learning. Traditional models as large language models. In the realm of machine learning models, traditional ML models rely on structured datasets such as financial records or historical stock prices as their training data. On the other hand, large language models, LLMs, operate with large volumes of text data derived from sources like books, websites, and social media posts for their training. As finance leaders, understanding this new generation of AI is important. Companies that implement large language models strategically could gain an edge. Finance firms that thoughtfully guide the development of this technology will be best positioned for the future. Will this technology replace finance professionals? That's an understandable concern. Large language models have great potential, but are unlikely to fully replace finance professionals in the near future. Here are a few key points to consider. LLMs can augment human capabilities, but lack real-world financial expertise. Human oversight and judgment is still critical. Conversational AI like chatbots can automate simple customer interactions, but complex issues still require human nuance, empathy, and discretion. Original analysis generated by LLMs needs vetting. The models don't intrinsically understand financial reasoning, so outputs need review by experts. New jobs and opportunities could emerge from the technology. As with past automation, new finance roles may develop to complement LLMs. The most likely outcome is humans and LLMs working together, each bringing complementary strengths. Human versus LLM. Humans possess a unique ability to make nuanced judgments, drawing from their rich experiences. However, humans are susceptible to fatigue and biases, which can sometimes lead to decisions that may not be entirely objective. In contrast, large language models, LLMs, like GPT-3 possess remarkable speed and efficiency in analyzing vast datasets. However, LLMs lack a true comprehension of context, sometimes providing responses that may be misleading due to their inability to fully understand the nuances of customer inquiries. Let's take an example of how human and LLMs can work together. For client onboarding and portfolio creation in initial meetings, the human advisor assesses the client's financial goals and risk tolerance, including unspoken concerns, using their intuition and emotional intelligence. Subsequently, the advisor inputs this information into an LLM, which rapidly processes extensive market data to create an optimized preliminary portfolio mix tailored to the client's needs, a task that would be time-consuming for a human. In the realm of continuous monitoring and adjustments, the human advisor plays a pivotal role in tracking significant life events for the client and comprehending their financial implications. Simultaneously, the LLM continually monitors market dynamics, news, and pertinent financial information. In the realm of educating and informing clients, the human advisor plays a crucial role in assuaging client anxieties during market downturns and maintaining focus on long-term goals amid short-term market fluctuations. Simultaneously, the LLM contributes by generating concise summaries of intricate financial products. When clients seek clarification on specific financial instruments or trends, the LLM can swiftly provide comprehensive insights. Regarding reporting and feedback, the human advisor conducts regular reviews with clients on a quarterly or annual basis to assess portfolio performance, collect feedback, and make adjustments as needed. In parallel, the LLM automates the creation of comprehensive performance reports, emphasizing gains, losses, and benchmark comparisons. Now that you grasp what an LLM is, in our upcoming video, we'll delve into how these models are already changing the financial landscape.